Okay, 59, it says write the equation in the slope-intercept form and standard form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. So we're writing all four of these in both forms. So I'm going to start with slope-intercept form. I know that I need to find m and b. Well, I already have m. So I'm going to plug in what I know. Y equals 2x plus we don't know b. And we're going to plug in our xy point to solve for b. So y is negative 2 equals 2 times x is 3 plus b. Well, 2 times 3 is 6 plus b. So minus 6, and I get b equals negative 8. So I know y equals 2x minus 8 for my slope-intercept form. So now for standard form, I have to find a, b, and c. Now, the thing to remember here is that standard form, your slope is opposite of a over b. Well, my slope is 2. So opposite, if I had to write that as a fraction, opposite of the top is negative 2. B is 1. So I know negative 2x plus 1y equals c. And then I can use my xy point the same way to find my c. So negative 2 times x is 3 plus 1 times y is negative 2. And whatever that equals is my c. I'm just going to type it in my calculator. Not negative. Dang it. And that equals negative 8. Now the only thing wrong on this one, I hope y'all remember, is that a cannot be negative. So we have to do opposite, opposite, opposite. So I have 2x minus 1y equals positive 8. So let's look at 60. Same concept. I'm going to start with slope-intercept form. I have to find m and b. I already know m is negative 5/3. So y equals negative 5/3 x plus b. And I'm going to plug in my point, x, y. So y is 6 equals negative 5/3 times x is 1. Well, 5/3 times 1 is just 5/3, so we can ignore that. So to get rid of negative 5/3, I'm going to add 5/3 to both sides. That cancels, and I get b equals 6 plus 5/3, which gives me 23/3. So b is 23 over 3. So my first equation is y equals negative 5/3 x plus 23 over 3. Now I have to find my ABC. Now the nice thing is this one's already a fraction, so opposite of a, so I'm going to rewrite this. I always give the negative to my top. So opposite of the top is a, and exact bottom is b. So I know 5x plus 3y equals c. And again, I'm going to use my point. So 3 times x is 1 plus, 5 times x is 1 plus 3 times y is 6. And whatever that equals is my c. So 5 times 1 plus 3 times 6, that equals 23. So c is 23. So I have 5x plus 3y equals 23. Okay, so now let's look at number 61. Now this one's a lot easier because it has a slope of 0. If I have a slope of 0, it's HOY, horizontal zero slope y equals equation. Well, what does y equal? You cannot write that any other way, so there's your answer. Okay, so last one in this section is 62. Again, I do have a slope this time, so I know m is negative 2/3. Okay, so I'm going to plug in what I know. And I'm going to use my point. So this is my x, this is my y. So I have y, x is negative 7 plus b. So negative 2 over 3 times 7 gives me negative 14/3. So I'm going to add 14/3 to both sides. And I get b equals 23 over 3. Well, just like the other one. Just a different slope. So 23 over 3. So I'm going to write my answer over here this time. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 23 over 3. And now I have to find standard form. So I have to find my a, b, and c. Now again, we like that our slope is negative, so negative 2 over 3. Opposite of the top is your a, so positive 2. Exact bottom is your b, so positive 3. So I know 2x plus 3y equals, well, we don't know c, so put a c. However, I do know a point that I can plug in. 2 times x is negative 7, plus 3 times y is 3, and whatever that equals is my c value. And I get negative 5. So when I write that, I get 2x plus 3y equals negative 5.